Attorneys, this is more of a breaking news story. It's June 4th, 2026. And if you buy leads for your firm, this should get your attention. Colorado just made it illegal to buy leads for your firm. They've considered it an actual deceptive trade practice with criminal exposure, and it's called Senate Bill 174. And even if you're not in Colorado, this should get your attention as this is the direction the whole country is heading. Quick context, my name is Hugo E. Gomez. I'm the founder of Abogados Now. We run marketing for over 500 firms nationwide, namely in Spanish media. And I'll break this down in plain English. Quick disclaimer, I am a marketer, a business owner, but I am not your lawyer. So this is information, not legal advice.
Before we continue, a quick note and the only break you'll hear in today's episode. Most attorneys know they should be reaching Hispanic clients, but very few do it well. That's where we come in. At Abogados Now, we build authentic Spanish language campaigns that actually get you more cases and grow your practice. So, if you're looking for a new way to get more clients, book a call with our team today at abogadosnow.com. Now, let's get back to the episode.
So here's what the law actually does. It bans paying a third party for leads about potential clients. That includes their contact info, like phone number, email, social media, their legal issues, their case, etc. And if a company gathers up injured people and sells them to you, that whole transaction is completely illegal in Colorado. Paying for it, selling it, running it, all prohibited. And the why matters because it tells you where this is going. Lawmakers found these lead companies were impersonating law firms, like producing fake free consultation sites, bait and switch call centers, look-alike branding. A hurt person thought they were going to call a lawyer, and what they were really calling was a call center that sold them to the highest bidder. The law is aimed squarely at that deception. This is the part that should make you sit up a little bit more. The penalty isn't a slap on the wrist. A violation is a deceptive trade practice under Colorado's Consumer Protection Act. So state bar violations, no longer the case. It's much more serious than that. This opens the door to civil suits and criminal liability. We've moved from bad marketing to the kind of thing a DA can charge for. That's a massive escalation. Now, you can take a breath because here's the good news, and it's the whole point of this video. The law does not ban legal marketing. It only bans the deceptive hidden kind. Marketing done right is explicitly protected. The statute names it directly. The law specifically protects traditional marketing, SEO, pay-per-click ads, radio, television, streaming, billboards, bus backs, legal directories. The one condition, and it's really simple, your firm has to be clearly identified as the one in the advertising. Full stop. So when you strip it all the way down, this entire law is about one word: disclosure. Is it obvious to the consumer that they're dealing with your firm directly? If yes, you're good. If a middleman is hiding who they really are and selling that person's data like a commodity, that's what's now illegal. So the whole test is really based on honesty. Here's why I'm not worried for clients using agency services, especially those using Abogados Now. If you own your marketing, your ads with your name, with your phone numbers, with your emails going to your intake, you were never the target of this law. The firms in trouble are the ones renting clients from middlemen they can't even name. If you can't say who's generating your leads, that's the problem. And don't tune out if you're not in Colorado. States often copy each other on consumer protection, and this is a clean, popular target: protecting injured people from scam call centers. Colorado is the first, and I promise you it will not be the last. So get ahead of it now before your state writes its own version. So here's the takeaway: Colorado or not, you have to own your leads. Put your firm's name on everything. If it's not on everything, at least in Colorado, it's illegal. Build marketing that's clearly proudly you. You need to do this so that no regulation ever touches you, and every client knows exactly who they called and why. That's not just compliance, that's a better firm, and that's honestly the best type of marketing. If you want a marketing engine that's transparent, compliant, and entirely yours, that's exactly what we build in Spanish at Abogados Now. So if you're in Colorado, especially today, you have until August to make these changes, you should book a call. Our link is in the call notes, and we'll make sure that your growth is bulletproof.